Students, this is the second part for you. In the second part, we are going to discuss about biotic environment, especially biosphere. The biotic environment consists of non-living things in the environments like plant, animals, and human beings. The second point in biotic environment is the important rims of Earth like lithosphere, hydrosphere, and atmosphere converge to form a narrow zone of interaction, the biosphere which supports life. What is biosphere? The biosphere is defined as the area of the planet where organism lives, including ground and air. That is called biosphere. The biosphere is home to all the living organisms. These organisms include the producers, consumers, and decomposers, which are interdependent. Now we are going to discussing about various organisms like producers, consumers, and decomposer. So who are producers? The producers are also called autotrophs. These autotrophs such as green plant. These green plant can prepare their own food using water, carbon dioxide and sunlight. So these are known as autotrophs. Next we are going to discuss about who are consumer. The consumer also known as heterotrophs. Most of the other living beings are directly or indirectly dependent on plants for their food. These are known as heterotrophs or consumer. There are three types of consumer. The first one is herbivorous, second one is herbivorous, third one is omnivorous. Who are herbivorous? Plant-based animals are called herbivorous. The animals only eating plants. That animals under the category of herbivorous. Second one is carnivorous. Who are carnivorous? The animal eating only animal or plant that eats the flesh or animals. That is called carnivorous. Omnivorous. The animals eats both plant and animals. That is called omnivorous. These are all the various types of consumers. Now we are going to discuss about decomposers. Decomposers are organisms that break down dead or decaying organisms. It includes microorganisms such as bacteria. So these are all about decomposers. So now we are going to discuss about energy. The energy is transferred from one living being to another in the form of various food chains. Now we are going to discuss about what is food web. Several food chains was up to form the food web. That meaning is several food chains join together and form a food web. So students, this is the second part. I hope you are all very much understood about biotic environment. So we can see that third part. Thank you.